Dear mothers raising the next generation, this is not an attack. This is a plea, because that boy you have in your house today will become someone's husband, someone's dad, someone's safe space, and someone's biggest heartbreak. Please, let us raise our sons right. Let us teach our sons that washing plates does not reduce your testosterone. If you're taking your daughters into the kitchen, please take your sons in there too. Hunger does not know gender. Let us teach our sons that saying I am sorry is not a weakness. Accountability is attractive. Pride is expensive. Let us teach our sons that women are not prizes to be won. They are not objects that should be controlled or conquered. They are human beings deserving of respect. And while you're telling your sons that they are the prize, please tell your daughters they are too. Let us teach our sons that no is a complete sentence. It is not a maybe. It is not you can keep trying. No is no. Let us teach our sons that masculinity is not based on how many women want them, but how well they can treat the one that they are committed to. Let us teach them perseverance, but also teach them wisdom, that not every battle is to be fought. Finding the strength in walking away from people, from situations or places that drain their dignity. Let us teach them to love themselves. Not the hard ego-driven kind, the quiet kind. The kind that has enough self-respect not to settle for less and not to beg for validation. Let us teach them that hard work, smart work, a little prayer and consistency will take them further than any entitlement ever will. Let us teach them that education does not stop at the four corners of a classroom. Character, integrity, financial intelligence, emotional intelligence, and spiritual growth, these are degrees that nobody will collect for you. Let us teach them that providing isn't only about money. Your love, your presence, your protection, your patience, your family needs that too. Let us teach them that crying does not make you less of a man, and violence doesn't make you more of a man, because the generation after us deserve better men, and better men heal generations. See you in the next video.